In this video, we will discuss an overview of alignments. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file 0601 alignmentoverview.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Civil3d provides many ways to create horizontal alignments. An alignment can be created from scratch using the layout tools, or standard AutoCAD objects like lines, arcs, and polylines can be used to create alignments as well. Most of the alignment creation tools are located in the Home tab, Create Design panel, Alignment drop-down. You will find many of the alignment creation tools located here. Alignments are stored in the Prospector tab of the tool space under the Alignments category. In your file, it will be categorized, as you can see here, by the different categories like centerline alignments, offset alignments, curb return alignments, rail alignments, and miscellaneous alignments. Alignments can also be stored in a site to better aid you in subdivision design. As you can see here, I have a subdivision with 2 alignments and a bunch of parcels, and all these alignments and parcels basically talk to each other and communicate as to how to display the geometry and the labels and so on. Alignments, as with everything in Civil3d, have settings and styles that you need to be aware of. The settings and styles are located in the Settings tab, Alignment category, and then you have the different categories for styles and settings. You have alignment styles, which tells Civil3d how to display the alignment and what layer it should go on. You also have design checks for doing any kind of design checks that you might want to apply to your alignments. You have label styles, which are all the categories of alignment type labels that you can create in Civil3d. Table styles for line, curve, spiral, and segment tables. And then all the commands that are in Civil3d and all of their associated command settings. Again, to edit any of these settings or styles, simply right-click on the specific object or setting you want to change and choose Edit from the shortcut menu. Remember, any of these settings or styles can be defined in the drawing template so that when you create a new file, all of those settings and styles will be available to you, ready to create alignments. This concludes this video discussing an overview of alignments.